Hi everyone, I thought I would walk through just briefly how to complete one aspect of Assessment 2, Case Study 2 with Emma Brighton, where you need to enter in a series of items that have been purchased from her grocery. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Sales, click on Enter Sales. So this is the fairly standard sales template. The problem with this one is that this is more for a service orientated rather than item orientated sale, so we need to look to change this layout, and that enables us to enter in the information far more quickly and accurately. So the first thing that you need to do is to identify the customer that it relates to. So in this case it's going to be various customers. We then go down here to layout, and the layout is what we need to look to change the format of this template. So as you can see, it's currently set to service. We need to set it to items because we're selling a range of items. You can see some other types there that will have been generated as standard formats. These can be altered or customized, but for the purposes of this activity or this component of the assessment, we just need the item component. Or item template. If we then go OK, we then have a slightly different template. So looking at the actual assessment task, you can see here that we need to enter in this information here. I'm only going to do the beverages line just to show you how it translates, so that you can then do the rest. So we have beverages, and we've sold 379 of them. So over here in the shipment, we put 379. If you use the tab button, we don't have any on back order, so that's fine. The item number, if you just tab there, it will bring up a menu and we can then select beverages. That will then bring the description up, the price per beverage, any discounts that are particularly applied, the total, and the GST. Now the GST or the tax code here will relate to that tax table that we looked at earlier, and made sure that the tax codes that related to each of the categories were correct. So then you essentially go through, keep tabbing until you get the cursor to come back over to our ship, ship being short for shipment, and then continue entering in the other items. Hopefully that clarifies things for many of you. Obviously don't forget to hit the record button to keep the transaction or to submit it, and you can keep going on with the assignment. Thanks everyone.